This video is for class 6 chemistry, and today's topic is symbols of elements from the chapter elements, compounds, symbols and formula. So the symbols of a chemical elements are abbreviations, short forms, okay, that are used to denote the chemical elements. It was Berzelius who first of all used English alphabets to represent the elements. Each element is denoted by a symbol which is usually the first letter of its name, in English or Latin written in capital. So, for example, oxygen is an element which is denoted by the symbol O. As you can see here, the first alphabet is O, so they are using the symbol O. Similarly, hydrogen is denoted by symbol capital H because the first alphabet is H. Going further, however, when the first letter of more than one element is same, it can be same, right? The elements are denoted by two letters. The first letter is written in capital while the second letter is written in small. For example, carbon, calcium, cobalt are three such elements which have same common first alphabet, which is C, right? So in this case, if carbon takes the symbol C, right, then calcium cannot be denoted by the same symbol C, right? Like two of you cannot have same roll number. Similarly, two elements cannot have same symbols. Thus, carbon is denoted by symbol C. Calcium cannot be denoted by symbol C. Therefore, to denote calcium, we use Ca, the first alphabet and the second alphabet. But the first alphabet is written in capital, whereas the second alphabet is written in small. And cobalt is written as Co, right? The first alphabet C capital and the second alphabet O small. Now there might be a question coming in your mind that what if the elements have first two letters same? What if the elements have first two letters same? So in that case, let us see. If the first two letters of the elements are same, then one of them symbol is taken from its Latin name. So one of their symbol is taken from the Latin name. For example, cobalt and copper. Both of these, cobalt and copper, has Co and Co as the first and the second alphabets. Now cobalt is already denoted by Co, capital C and small o, while the copper should be denoted by other alphabets. Here we are using Cu because Cu is taken from the Latin name, okay, cuprum, right? Element iron is denoted by Fe, which is taken from the Latin name ferrum, right? The symbol is a short form that also represents an atom of a specific element. Atom is the smallest unit of an element. So we have already studied what atom is, right? So a symbol represents one atom, like Cu represents one atom of copper, Co represents one atom of cobalt. I hope you understood this. So elements mentioned in the table 4.2 are called first 20 elements because they occupy first 20 positions in the periodic table. A new thing is coming here, periodic table, which shall be explained in your future classes. For the time being, just remember that a periodic table is a chart, okay, where the elements are arranged in a specific order depending upon their properties, right? Depending upon their chemical and physical properties. So a periodic table, which means periodic table is a systematic arrangement of elements. It's a systematic arrangement of elements in a tabular form, in a chart form, for their convenient study, right? So that it helps us to study them properly, okay? while grouping them. So names and symbols of first 20 elements: hydrogen H, helium He, lithium Li, etc. So I think you can learn this table. Okay, please learn this table, right? Table number 4.2. So please learn the symbols of the elements. These are the first 20 elements in the periodic table, right? Now this is a part of periodic table. This is a part of periodic table, right? So here they have shown us how the elements are arranged. Okay, how the elements are arranged, why there is a gap and all out here, you'll come to know afterwards. So now how are they arranged, and this vertical this vertical lines, this vertical lines, this vertical lines, right, they are known as group. Okay, sorry, they are known as group. Whereas this horizontal lines here, horizontal line here, horizontal line here, horizontal line here, they are known as period. Okay, right? So these are the names of the group here: 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A. There will be B also, right? There will not be any C, right? So 0 is also a group. So these things you'll study in your higher classes. Probably you'll start studying it from class 8, right? So this much for the periodic table. Okay, this is a part of a periodic